In this session, we will discuss what is an intellectual property right is. If you have an inventive idea and you want to protect it, you have to take the ownership of that idea from the government, and you will be granted the various rights called intellectual property rights. Intellectual property right is everywhere, from the design of toothbrush you use, music you listen, design of a car, mobile phones, the books you read, the articles you read, etc. Intellectual property might include the intangible assets you create for your business, such as names, designs, and automated processes. There are the four main ways that intellectual property is being protected. Very first is a trademark. Trademarks are just the names, phrases, and symbols that differentiate your brand from others in your industry. They must be distinctive and used in commerce to sell or promote a product or service. Whatever the words, whatever the symbols, names, colors, or sounds that identify where your goods and services came from, you might get trademarks for that. The second one is copyright. Copyright grants are the legal rights to anything you create that expresses or embodies an idea. It gives exclusive right to copy, distribute, reproduce, display, and license the work. You can get a copyright for software, architectural designs, graphic arts, video and sound recording, books, databases, research articles, journal papers, your research projects, etc. So once you receive the copyright, so it will be with you till the end of your life plus 70 years. The next one is the patents. Patents are granted for new useful inventions, and they will give you the right to prevent others from making, using, or selling your invention. So you might have the utility patents for tangible inventions such as machines, devices, composite materials, as well as new and useful processes. The design of cars, the design of toothbrush, etc. You might have the patents for ornamental designs on manufactured products. You might have the patents for a new species or new varieties of plants. The last one we'll discuss is the trade secrets. If you want to keep your confidential information with you and you don't want to share this information with others, then a trade secret is a piece of confidential business information whose secrecy gives you an advantage over other competitors. Companies might prevent their own formulas, patterns, techniques, or processes, and they don't want that particular thing to be known or readily attainable by others. So company might keep a trade secret under the wraps, include creating a policy that explains who can access your trade secrets and how they are protected, having new employees sign a non-disclosure agreement, NDAs, etc. So this is all about intellectual property right. Thank you.